Can see the bond
Hi, I'm Raywan.
And I'm Charmaine, so we are interns in Biocreation Asia.
Today we'll be showing you how to bake loaf bread using our products. These are the ingredients we will be using for today's episode of making loaf bread. To kickstart we will add all the dry ingredients into the mixer. Next, we will add in water gradually to hydrate the dry ingredients.
And now, we let the mixer do the work. Scrape the corner of the mixer bowl if there is any residue.
Now, add in the butter. Lastly, we will ensure that the dough is not sticky, and once it's not sticky, we will check that if it reaches the window pane. It should look like this. Send the dough for the first proofing. We will conduct rounding and make sure that the bottom of the dough does not split or have hole after rounding.
While we let the dough bake, let's talk a little bit about our products. Terminal bread is a 100% natural bread improver as it improves the bread structure and gives it more volume. It results in a softer and fluffier bread. Traditional sourdough breads are made through the process of creating a starter and allowing it to ferment, which gives it a sour taste. Our sourdough eliminates the requirement of a starter as we produce a dehydrated powder form. Pani has a lighter aroma compared to other sourdoughs. It is suitable for loaf breads as we have done today. We typically add about 3 to 5% of the flour weight. Manitoba flour is a famous Italian flour used by artisanal bakers to create sourdough starters and breads. Due to its high protein content, it is often used to strengthen weak dough and increase the elasticity. The W index is between 380 to 400, which means it can absorb a lot of water. Remember, all of our products can be purchased online on Biocreations, Shopee, and Lazada.
The dough should bounce back using the poke method as such.
Just follow along this simple technique of shaping the dough by rolling. Remember to fly the baking tin so that the bread doesn't stick while baking. Remember to roll the dough tightly to avoid any air trapped in the dough. This is how the spiral should look like.
And there you go! This is the finished product after baking.